Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today, I discuss number system. Number system. Chapter 1, Class 7. Topic Types of number system. I have already discussed there are four types of number system. First, binary number system. Second, decimal number system. Third, octal number system. And the fourth, hexadecimal number system. First, binary number system. Binary number system, base 2 represent 0 or 1. Decimal number system, base 8 represent 0 to 7. Sorry, base of the decimal number system, base 10 and 0 to 9. Octal number system, base 8 represent 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system, base 16 represent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, A, B, C, D, E, F. 0 to, sorry, not for the 10, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, A, 11, B, 12, C, 13, D, 14, E, 15, and F, 16. F, 16. This is the hexadecimal number system. First of all, computer is always time understand only for the binary number system. Previous class I already discussed. You must watch the video. What is the decimal number system? What is the decimal number system? Decimal number system base 10 represent 0 to 9. Yani 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total value 10. Digit are used to represent any value in the decimal number system. Digit are represent in the any value in decimal number system. The number of unique digit. Again I repeat, the number of unique digit used in number system is known as base or radix. The number of unique digit is used in a number system is known as base or radix. Base or radix. What is the base of radix? Base or radix is nothing but value representing the particular number system. but value representing the particular number system. The number of digits, symbols or letters used in a particular number system. This number of digits used in letters, symbols. Suppose 0 to r minus 1, 0 to r minus 1, 0 to r minus 1. This is the maximum number of digits used in a particular number system. Maximum number of digits used in a particular number system. Suppose this is the formula 0 to r minus 1. Binary number system base 2 represent 0 or 1. Let's put the formula 0 2 base कितना 2 2 minus 1 तो 0 to 1. Just like decimal number system base 10 again 0 10 minus 1 यानी 0 to 9. This is the all set of the formula. Again return back decimal number system. To value of each digit in a number depends upon its position from right to left. This is the note. Again I repeat in this particular sentence. The value of each digit in a number depends on its position from right to left. Suppose this is the one formula, digits multiply base of number system, base of number system. Digits multiply base of number system के power weight of number, weight of numbers. I use in this formula. This formula is asked to find a value of digit in the given decimal number, multiply it with digit multiply base of number system power weight of number. Suppose just like an example, number weight or base. Every student be carefully watch this video. Suppose number, I put the value of number. Suppose number 256. Weight मान suppose weight 210. This is the weight. What is the base? Suppose base to be I study decimal number system base 10. Now put this formula. The value of digit. Find the value of digit. Each digit. Let's see. 6 multiply base 10. I always time show to the base. If the base is 8, the value is the 8. 6 गुने 10 to the power 0. Why I write down to the 10 to the power 0? Because the base is 10. Not for base is the 8. Not for base is the 2. Base, this base is the include the 2. Then the value is the 2. Not for the 10. 6 गुने 10 to the power 0. Again, number 5. 5 multiply base 10. 10 to the power 1. Again, number 2. 10 to the power 2. Find the value. 6 गुने 1 because 10 to the power 0, the value of 1. 5 50 and 2 गुने 100. 6 50 200. The total value 256. This is the way of your to the number system. This is the end of the decimal number system.